Now comes the biggest story of all, by the way, the rise of AI. At first, AI sounded exciting. People said it will help humans, it will make work easier, it will create opportunity. But suddenly, workers are realizing something terrifying here. AI is not just helping companies, not at all. It is helping companies reduce people now. Well, reports say that over 92,000 tech workers lost their jobs within just 5 months of 2026. And companies openly mentioned AI during layoff. Snap reportedly said that AI now generates most of its code. In fact, Gale Labs CEO even declared software will be built by machines, directed by people. Now, just pause here. Machines writing software, humans supervising. That means fewer engineers, smaller teams, in fact, lower hiring, and suddenly workers who studied coding for years, they are now wondering, will AI replace me next? The fear is specifically intense among the junior employees here because entry level work is often repetitive. And repetitive work is exactly what AI handles the best. Here, some companies are now experimenting with AI first teams, where smaller groups use AI tools to do the jobs and the work that once required the entire departments. Tasks like writing reports, customer support, coding, data analysts, and even presentations are increasingly being automated. And you know what? Ultimately, this is creating a silent panic. Students graduating in computer science, they are entering the worst possible moment. Well, they spent years believing that coding guaranteed success here. And now companies are saying, we need fewer coders but more AI specialists. That fear, it is becoming real inside America today, specifically for the immigrants. Because when layoffs happen, visa holders often they suffer first. One layoff can suddenly become an immigration crisis for them. H-1B visa holders often get only limited time to find another employer before risking deportation or maybe forced relocation. Now, let's talk about one big company that shocked the entire internet. We are talking about Oracle. Oracle reportedly cut about 20,000 jobs globally. But it was how employees discovered it that truly kind of angered people. Imagine waking up 6 in the morning, you try logging into your office system, suddenly your account is gone. No explanation, no meeting, no human conversation. Some workers reportedly discovered that they had been fired only because their VPN stopped working. Can you imagine that humiliation? Years of service ended by a login failure here. Some employees say that they were in the middle of project when suddenly all access disappeared. Others reportedly learned about layoffs from co-workers instead of management. But the anger, it did not stop there. Some employees claimed that they lost stock worth hundreds of thousands of dollars because the shares they had not vested yet. Years of waiting gone overnight. Now, for many tech employees in America today, stock options, they are a huge part of compensation. Well, they tolerate stress, believing that future shares will reward them later. But layoffs can erase those dreams instantly. And why is Oracle doing all of this? Because that particular company is aggressively spending on AI infrastructure and data centers. The AI race is becoming extremely expensive now. Companies are spending billions on chips, cloud systems, servers, and electricity to compete with the AI market now. Again, there's the same pattern. More AI spending, more human cuts. This is the new corporate formula, by the way, and the workers across Silicon Valley, they are now realizing something brutal. In the AI race, employees may become the easiest cost to remove.